have to say it was the enthusiasm of one of the instructors, on the program. But also, I had a real strong desire to learn more about Microsoft Office, to use it going forward in my career, but also um, in everyday life. I really enjoyed the exercises, also the practice test, but I enjoyed the supplemental material, the emotional intelligence. I loved all of that information. Um, and I think it's good to use every day. It's like practical information that you can use in your life and at work.